Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm showing you guys how to create the seamless color grunge transition effect for next music video or edit. Starting off, I'm going to go to our bottom left, go to new, and create our adjustment layer right here. For the first effect, I'm going to add noise, drag in our noise effect, turn off use color noise, and put our amount on 20. Close it out right here, and then we're going to add CC threshold. Drag it in. We're gonna head over to the beginning of our clip right here. We're gonna head all the way to the end, and we're gonna put it maybe at 30 right here. Highlight all of our keyframes and easy use it by pressing F9 on our keyboard. Head back all the way over here, and we're gonna create another keyframe by pressing our time watch. Head all the way over here, and we're gonna put our original blend all the way up to 100. Highlight these two keyframes and easy use it by pressing F9 on our keyboard. Then once after that, I'm gonna close out our menu, then head to the bottom left, go to new, and create another adjustment layer. It's gonna lay on top of the actual layer we just made. So what we're gonna add onto our new effect, we're gonna add tritone, drag it in, then we're gonna replace our midtone to around blue right here, and you can see right here how the color changes. So you can do it with any color. You can go ahead and change it from red. So you can see right here how the transition happens. As long as you go ahead and mess around with our midtones right here, you can add any color you want. You can go and add white or black if you really want to. There's multiple ways to mess around with this effect, and just pick the color you want. So yeah, gonna go ahead and reset our color about right here. And yeah, that is how you create the seamless color grunge transition for next music video or edit. I hope you guys learned something new today, or just like this video overall. And if you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or just go ahead and share this video. You guys don't have to, but it does help support me and helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And with that all out of the way, keep on staying creative, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.